Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to do 10 times points glitch in Block Blast. Ever wondered how to hit insane points in Block Blast? There is a glitch for it. And in this guide, I will be showing you guys exactly how to do it. So without any further ado, let's dive in. The 10 times points glitch in Block Blast allows you to multiply your points drastically by exploiting a timing or mechanism loophole. This glitch is ideal for quickly climbing the leaderboard and impressing your friends, but it requires precision and practice. This glitch works based on the latest version of the game, so ensure your app is updated. It involves a combination of power-ups and rapid block placements. You'll also need an open board with strategic spaces. Start by clearing as much of the board as possible. Aim to leave a 3x3 or larger open area near the center of the board. Keep at least one power-up ready, preferably a bomb power-up or line clear power-up. Place blocks so that activating a power-up will simultaneously clear multiple rows and columns. The key is timing. As soon as the power-up starts clearing the lines, drag another block into the clearing zone before the animation finishes. If done correctly, the game miscalculates and multiplies your score 10 times for the cleared lines. After successfully triggering the glitch, repeat the process by immediately clearing more combos with power-ups. The glitch works best when power-ups overlap multiple clear zones. Keep stacking combos and leveraging power-ups to maintain the glitch for as long as possible. Avoid filing the board too much. Leaving space ensures you can continue placing blocks during the glitch. The 10 times points glitch in Block Blast is a powerful exploit to boost your score quickly, but it requires precise timing and smart planning. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you have got any issues, you can comment down below.